Hi, so I thought of doing another fridge magnet art today, and I thought maybe we can do it together. We can hang out and do some art. So if you're planning to spend some time making some art, do join, do tag along so that we can paint together. Alright, let's begin. So here's the canvas I'm using. You can find it online. Just look for DIY fridge magnets and you'll find these canvases online. Here's a canvas with a very questionable art. What have I drawn on this? So I'm going to begin by priming the canvas with some gesso. This is the Camlin Artist Gesso and mine is covered in mold. So if I die or seem high, that's why. I rhymed. Deepti, did you hear that? So the canvas is all primed with gesso, but it's getting a little dark outside and the video is getting a little blurry. So I'll continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow is here, so let's go ahead and continue with our art.